Have you ever typed a question into Google and wondered, how does Google know exactly what to show you? It's not magic, it's the power of search engine algorithms. Today, I'm breaking down in simple words how search engine algorithms work and why it's crucial for you to understand them in 2025 and beyond. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Midafraz Alam, and on this channel we dive deep into digital marketing tips, SEO strategies, content marketing hacks, and everything you need to grow online. So let's talk digital marketing together. If that sounds exciting, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any updates. Step 1. Crawling first. Search engines like Google send out bots or spiders that crawl billions of web pages across the internet, scanning content, links, images, and more. Step 2. Indexing. Once crawled, that information is organized into a giant index, kind of like the world's biggest library, ready to be pulled when someone searches for it. Step 3. Ranking. Now comes the real magic, ranking. Google uses hundreds of factors like relevance, content quality, backlinks, page speed, and even your location or device to decide which page deserves to appear first. Quick fact, did you know Google algorithms are powered by AI models like RankBrain, BERT, and which help them truly understand what users mean, not just what they type? So why should you care about how search engine algorithms work? Whether you're a business owner, blogger, marketer, or creator, knowing how algorithms work helps you create content that the right people see. It's no longer just about keywords. It's about understanding user intent, delivering real value, and adapting to Google's evolving rules. I've covered the basics here, but if you want the complete detailed guide, including all the major Google updates like Panda, Penguin, RankBrain, and and how to optimize your content for future algorithms, then check out my full blog post at techfee.com and search for how do search engine algorithms work. The link of full article is given below in the description. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could give it a thumbs up. It helps more people find this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more digital marketing tips, SEO strategies, and growth hacks every week. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. What part of search engine algorithms do you want me to dive deeper into next? Thank you so much for watching. For more, visit techfee.com, learn, apply, rank higher.